well informed about the sexuality, but they are in denial.
Yeah, they are.
I'm trying. I cannot let this sink in, because of this. Do you understand? I wouldn't blame them. It's their belief, but at the end of the day, this is alive. This is real. Understand? Being gay doesn't mean that you need to be isolated.
Afraid,
You need
yeah.
to be afraid. No. Like you should live your life. And even if you have, if you're a straight man or you're a straight lady, you have a feeling for another woman, or you have a feeling for another man when you're a straight man. It doesn't matter. That's how you feel most. That's how you feel. Don't deny that.
So tell me, ngifuna kubuta la kulabo nomdzala ne akusisithwala esikhatsini esiningi because most of them labenta lokho basuka banemali laba benta lokho majida njengabafowethu sengiyabekisa ne ngisuke ngithuthi ngilambile ngifuna kubamba standard thizeni but anju think ukuthi isithwalo sithizeni
Yeah, I can say that. Swallow thizeni khona lomunye umngani wami angala
Yeah,
manje
yeah.
like ugobela vele like
yeah
so wangitshela mina
Yeah.
khona lo singala sikhiphile singala kunkomazi
Yeah,
wangitshela
yeah.
bo qhamuka this other big shots yo vele ngiyangifuna vele he was like no mngani, can I talk to you yabo lona
nogobela wini intombazane yena or is gay or whatever
he's straight.
or is straight or it's a guy.
It's a guy.
Okay, yeah.
But see, mngani, I cannot beat around the bushes,
Yeah.
and I do not normally like disclose
Such things, yeah.
such things. But what I can tell you is that lapha ungayi. But akazange wabadirect ukuthi
Why?
lo muntu lo ngizwe ngayi ukuthi wena so
Why?
wathi
Why
ngoba
lapha?
angisho mina futhi ngimzala and
So yeah, clever
Yabo.
bona tinto yeah.
so wathi kimi ngisilaphana ungayi ngoba bantu bathola wrong abantu bathola ukuthi they want that na. I was
Yeah.
like oh okay.
Yeah.
Yabo, I was like, and he was a cute guy, the guy. Yabo, I was like, no, savile sadlula lapho. So sekubuye sekuhlangana everything vele yabona khona ukuthi vele labo lomdzala they use that.
Yeah.
They use that nemali futhi imali wena gogo imali can make you do shit.
Ish.
Imali kuniketa lamanye wena bo right sibonga uqale kuba nemali isaqala wena so ufuna into fetish so ufuna kumatrisam
Yeah,
so ufuna
yeah,
you understand those
yeah,
kind of
yeah.
things, and those things tipushwa nepower wena ngisho vele excuse me over like power and
Yeah,
stuff
yeah.
so
Attract some other spirits kahle la.
yabo so nje bayendela lokho and it's not like usibona umdzala kude bona umdzala laba bisexual
Yeah, bakhona, ne?
bakhona la likazi
Yeah.
ngisho bebafana like hey not even likazi everywhere
Yeah, everywhere,
Drop it,
yeah.
they bafana man, you understand.
Yeah.
But we cannot disclose that.
Yeah.
But they are doing it
Yeah.
after 9 you understand, but
Yeah.
asikho lapho futhi
Yeah.
and they're not wrong.
Yeah.
That's how they feel.
That's
Yabo.
right.
So essentially this thing it's real ikona, and the lesson type of people they should stop
Yeah.
being in the
Hola!
closet and just
Yeah.
come out.
Kahle kahle.
Mm.
Eish. Cause like likazi ngathi dominate kakhulu. Ngombe ngilosi ngituka le space. Mamazi, ngicomtshela phela ukuthi ngiyarecord le moto shem noma ngayicima ne noma like likazi ngathi dominate kakhulu lento le. Like kakhulu like likazi angathi kumbe ngilosi ngila kule area la likazi.
No, besides that wena gogo people nyalo esikhathini sanyalo akusafani nesikhathini thini lisa
Yeah.
come out ngaso.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
mina I was out to know me.
Yeah, I mean yeah.
Mina I was me. I didn't care about uri muntu urinka
Yeah,
inkana
yeah,
no.
yeah.
Mina I was me out and about like
Yeah.
I live my life for no one
Yeah.
except myself.
Yeah.
Yangisisa
Yeah.
so vele nje ngavele ngathi iphumela out of the closet I was like that trans dude that I was flourishing.
Yeah.
But nyalo labanye futhi wena gogo lebeliwa ukuthi this thing akusathusi